What is up, guys? We're out here at the creek today, and let's see. So I brought my spinning rod right here, and I brought one tackle box right here. I brought my phone. This is a little challenge I'm gonna be doing today. So I'm gonna pull it up real quick. It's called Roulette Spinner. I'm gonna see what panfish lure I will be using today. So I'm gonna spin this right here. I have spinner, these are my options. Spinner, spoon, jig, or crankbait. I'm gonna see what I get. Spoon, okay. Spoon will be a little tricky, but can probably do it. See what I can do. Stay tuned, guys. Alright guys, so here is, I'll pull it up so you guys can see it. Here's the spinner that I'm putting on there, this little guy. It's kind of big, but I only have bigger spinners, so I didn't think I was going to actually choose this option, which I'm kind of surprised that I have to do this now. That bike up there is not mine, somebody else's. They're building like a fort down here, so he just told me to make sure no one steals his bike while he's up there. Oh, first fish. Look at this little tiny guy that bit it. Look at this. Let me put my rod up here. First fish of the day, guys, on the spoon. This is what I'm talking about. These are the fish in here. Look at this. Little baby green sunfish. Pretty cute though. And throw them back. Ooh. Not a bad sized one right here. This is a pumpkin seed. This isn't even a green sunfish. See you later, buddy. Alright guys, I'm re-spinning right now. Okay, I gotta fish a spinner now. See how this goes. Okay guys, spinner is on. Little black, what is this? What kind of spinner is this? This is a Mepps Thunderbug spinner. Don't really think I've ever fished this before, so this is gonna be my first time. It spins. Don't know if the fish want it. Dang it. Broke off. Gonna roll it again because I only have two more. I have crankbait and jig left, so I can get. I got jig. It should be pretty easy, so I can do. Okay, guys. Here's what I put on. It's my go-to for this spot. Little Helgamite soft plastic thing on a jig head. This jig head is, I'm not even sure. I think it's 1/16 ounce, so it's really, really, really small. Oh, hold on, guys. This isn't even what I'm looking at. Well, I did get it on the jig, but there's baby bass down in there. I can see them all, like little fry. It means there's a big one in here too. But first, just caught this green sunfish. Pull this jig out of his mouth for a second. Okay. Really good colors on him. Let's put him back. Whoops. That's really cool though, huh? I need to see if they'll come back. There's tons of little baby fry bass in here. Hi. Oh yeah, I caught a couple little ones. Yeah, here's one right here. Small little green sunfish. Little green sunfish. Yeah. Yeah. Yo, buddy. That is number, I think that's number 4 maybe. I'm not even sure anymore. Oh, that was a nice one, whatever that was. Be right on the edge of those rocks in there. There we go. Little guy was chasing it. Calm down, little guy. Okay guys, the last one challenge is crankbait. So I threw in this little Rebel crankbait right here. I'm gonna start at the top pond for this one. I don't even know why I call it top pond. It's a little pool. Let's see what we can do with this. Got him. I waited for him. Oh look, he foul hooked himself too. He didn't even actually hook him. These are the ones you gotta be careful about though, because when they're foul hooked, I'm gonna whip them. Yep. Sorry, buddy. You're gonna survive. You're just gonna have a little battle scar on you. There you go.